Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. Social skills. One of the things that we really emphasize is the ability to introduce yourself. So many times now, it's easy to be remote. It's easy to seclude. And it's really important that we interact, and we especially in conflict, and getting to a point to where you feel comfortable with introducing yourself and listening to someone else when they introduce themselves. I just think it's so important. And at the Peace Dojo and at Aikido of Reno, we really try to emphasize the social skill part. It really is a skill. I'd love to see it down here, and when you experience it, it'll change it just from an intellectual thing. I mean, most people understand this, but for especially young kids, well, even you get older, sometimes you get closed off. So love to see it down here. Social skills. Thank you very much.